Talk to yourself like someone you love. The conversations you have with yourself shape the life you create. Too many people spend their days focused on everything they haven't accomplished, every mistake they've made, every reason they think they can't succeed. But imagine what would happen if you became your own biggest supporter instead of your own biggest critic. What if every morning you reminded yourself that you're capable, resourceful, and worthy of building the life you've always dreamed about? Success doesn't begin when someone else believes in you. It begins the moment you decide to believe in yourself. The truth is, confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you build through action. Every call you make, every challenge you overcome, every lesson you learn becomes another reason to trust yourself even more. And when you surround yourself with the right people, the right mentorship, and the right opportunity, your potential begins to multiply. At TruPowur, you're not trying to convince people to buy something they don't need. You're helping homeowners and businesses reduce an expense they already have by comparing energy suppliers, uncovering billing errors that could qualify them for refunds, and creating real savings that make a genuine difference. When you create value for others, you create opportunity for yourself. Every customer you help has the potential to become another building block in a growing stream of recurring residual income. Income that can continue long after the initial work has been done. The future you've been hoping for doesn't start someday. It starts with one decision, one conversation, and one belief that you're capable of more. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy, it's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.